In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy property on Monopoly Go 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how buying, auctions, upgrades, and rent collection work so you can make smarter moves every turn. When it's your turn, you'll roll the dice and your token moves automatically. If you land on an unowned property, the game highlights the tile and opens a pop-up showing the property's name and its price. This is your decision point. If the property fits your plan and you have enough cash, tap the option to buy and confirm. The cost is deducted from your balance, and you receive the title deed card for that property. Owning the deed means you control the tile and can charge rent when others land there. It also moves you closer to completing a full color set, which is key for upgrades later. If you decide not to purchase, the game immediately starts an auction for that property. All players, including you, can bid. Auctions are fast and can be strategic. You might win the property at a discount, or you might bow out to avoid overspending. Set a mental budget, tap to raise your bid when it makes sense, and pass if the price climbs beyond the value you expect to get back in rent. The highest bidder pays the bank and takes the deed, so unowned properties rarely stay on the board for long. Once you've acquired an entire color set, upgrades become available. In Monopoly Go, upgrades are handled through landmarks that add houses to your properties, and every 5 houses convert into a hotel. Upgrades significantly increase the rent opponents must pay when they land on your tiles. The game interface will guide you through the upgrade options and show the costs and rent jumps. So take a moment to review before confirming. Build with a plan. Aim to upgrade the set that sees frequent traffic or complements your existing portfolio, and keep enough cash on hand for unexpected fees or high rent from opponents. From that point on, your properties generate income whenever a rival lands on them. Rent scales with each building you add, and hotels deliver the biggest payout. You can always check the title deed card to see the rent levels for 0 buildings with houses and with a hotel, helping you decide whether the next upgrade is worth it right now. That's the full flow. Land on an unowned property, choose whether to buy or let it go to auction, secure deeds, complete color sets, upgrade with landmarks to add houses and hotels, and collect increasingly higher rent. If you follow these steps and budget carefully, you'll build momentum, pressure your opponents, and set yourself up for a winning board.